recover deleted Telegram channel. Hey everyone! If you have ever lost access to your Telegram channel or group, you know how frustrating that can be. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted Telegram channel step by step. So let's dive right in. First, let's create a sample channel. Here's my sample channel and I'm going to long press it and then click on delete. Now, I'm going to click on delete for all subscribers and confirm the deletion. Now, before we move to the next step, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now, to recover a deleted channel, head over to the search bar, search it here. I'll click on Barry. I don't find it, so I search Barry123 and click on search, and then there you go. I find the channel, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.